So guys, balat po tayo ng pin. Magbalat po tayo ng pin niya na Hawaiian. $66 piso to. 35 ang kilo guys ng Hawaiian na pin niya. Ito ay naghalaga ng ng 36 pesos. Ay 66 pesos pala. Mali. Lagi tayong nagkakamali ng salita guys. Okay lang naman yun. At least nakapag
Lala, bakit inakot ng balat?
Bakit
inakot ng balat?
Anong nakit?
Ng balat ng pineapple.
Bakit? Anong meron?
Ito.
Oh, meron. What do you mean? Just say it in English. What do you mean by that?
Pineapple.
No, what do you mean by that? What does it mean?
Bakit? Why are you cutting the skin of the pineapple?
Because the eyes of pineapple is very itchy.
It's very tough.
Huh? It's very tough. Yung Makati.
Yeah, you cannot eat that kasi
Pineapple doesn't have eyes, you.
they call it eyes because it looks like
Which
an
like?
eye.
Huh?
Look like an eye.
Hook an eye?
It look like an eye.
It look like an eye because this is
Uh,
very harsh.
but it's not a literal eyes.
It's so iking. So iking.
You make your throat itchy.
Make your throat itchy. Ayun, talk itchy. Just the one. Oh, no, not ready. Just say it in English, Ruby. What your description by the pineapple?
Why are you cutting the skin of the pineapple?
Because we just I want to clean her body of pineapple. Pastilan guys ninyo itong English natin nga wala din hiwa dito. Hindi natin napakita yung mga English na hatsing na si Richard. Oh! Hatsing na naman. Jesus! Wala na. Ay!
Ingat eh. Ingat ang uwi naman.
Alikabok, di ba?
Ha?
Alikabok.
Oo.
Lalagay hatsing ka. Sipon pa. Ay, inom kasi kayo ng malamig eh. Di inom ka ng malamig. Kaya gana, iwasan nyo mag-inom ng malamig. Huwag kayo inom ng malamig. Kunin ako nag-inom ng malamig eh.
Cold water is life. May talaga allergic rhinitis talaga ako.
Ikaw? Sa arthritis sa ilong?
Oo.
Arthritis sa ilong?
Rhinitis?
Ha?
Rhinitis.
Anong tawag doon?
Allergic rhinitis.
Allergic?
Allergic rhinitis.
Allergic rhinitis?
Pag sobrang bango. Sobrang bango, sobrang baho.
Naatsing ka na.
Mm.
Oh, see. Just took the pineapple. Took the pineapple.
Can I cut it?
No, I'm just only cut it.
No, Robbie, it's enough.
Not yours. This is for adults only, not for the kids. You can talk to me. You
You can talk
can.
lang, you can watch.
Oh, you can watch me and talk me. Talk to the pineapple. Oh, just talk to pineapple. No, just talk. Just talking and talking.
Delicious.
Oh, delicious. Oh, what?
It's so
What else?
sweet.
Oh, so sweet. What else?
So delicious.
So delicious.
Tastes like pineapple pizza.
You like it?
It's water.
Wait,
Very sweet.
what about we put it with pizza? Pineapple
Pizza?
pizza.
For the pizza. It's Hawaiian. This is put in the Hawaiian pizza. Hawaiian pizza. Hawaiian pineapple pala. Gahak. Pasensya na kayo guys, sa aking English kay ano man to. Wadin to. Very bukin-bukin. Mura lang ito ang kilo guys, ang ano, pinya. Ito ay Hawaiian pa ha. 35 ang kilo nito. Yung sa iba naman, 60. Ganoon ako sa mura. 60 kasi, sariwa pa yung bagong pitas. Ito, medyo ano na siya na-stack na ng ilang araw. Kaya ito na binili kong 35 ang kilo, naging 66. Diba? Tikman natin ang ating mahal ito sa ano, sa Manila eh. Tag 150 ang kilo dun sa ano, sa may Cavite. You see? Ito sa amin ano lang eh. Yung pinya kasi ngayon kaya mura-mura. Mahirap pag lang maganda talaga pag meron kang sariling ano, yung pang ano sa pinya, pang alis talaga sa mata. Kaso lang paggawa mo ng ano yun, yung sadya. Wala kang mabili sa ano, sa mall lang gano'n na pang ano sa pinya ng mata, yung paalis. Pang alis ba? Sadya na yung sa Batangas. Paggawa. Ang init dito guys, grabe. Nagbabalat ako ng ano. Okay, nagbabalat lang ng pinya pero grabe pawis ko ha. Taste it, just taste it. Oh, what did you say?
Thank you.
Yeah, what did you say? Ano? What?
Tastes like sweetie pineapple.
It's look like taste it pineapple.
Tastes sweet, but
So sweet. It's not sour. Hinog na to siya guys. Yung mahal kasi itong 60. Pahinog. Ito ang pinili kong hinog. Okay naman siya kaya hindi naman siya bulok. Hindi naman sa overwrap din. Tama lang. Pero kung ipagbaliban mo ito bukas, ako wala na. Bulok na yata to. Kaya ngayon ko lang na yan binabalatan. What your ano? don't lapit the in camera. Your mouth is very big. don't lapit. Don't near the camera, Ruby. Ito na guys, tapos na. Tapos ko na mabalatan ng pimpin niya. Diba? Yan, gawin natin dito ay ating putulan ng ano, ito. Putulan natin ito. Tapos ilagay natin sa plato. The plates.
What happened to the pineapple?
I will cut this one. Ayan. Oh, kinakat ko na dito guys, oh. How is it? It's very good, huh? I will taste it. Yeah. Wow. It's yummy.
Is it a pineapple?
Yeah, it's it. This is a pineapple. First pineapple. Don't near the camera. You seratize my video, huh? I told you not to near the camera. I will slice this one.
You're
wait.
making it like just
I will give you later. Okay? Oh. I will give you later.
tastes like tastes like
Don't
pine.
eat that. It's not for the kids. There's an ice. The piña, it might you be hurt. You might be hurt in your tongue and your tooth. No, see? Just wait for a minute. Very, very apurize. So sweet, guys. It's very sweet. Okay. I'm done my piña, guys. This is one. Slice is very yummy. And taste it.
Even more
What taste it is sweet.
sweet and delicious.
Wow. Oh, so this is yours.
Thanks.
Okay. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel, My Piña.